How you doing? You like how I just slid into D range? Well, it's time. You know it's time. It's been a while. So let's get to it. And don't try this at home.
It's time. D-Range time. Let's get to it.
What you are about to see is very, very dangerous. Very dangerous. We're going to be at the range where we have taken preventative measures to make sure everything is as safe as possible. It's not going to be safe, but it's going to be as safe as possible. So, I can't tell you this enough times in any of my videos. Some of them are fine, some of them are a little different, but I can't tell you it enough. Do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. But I'm going to do this for you. Try that again. Time to try this one. Do that one more time. All right. So, we're going to find out if I actually hit anything down here. Pretty sure I hit a couple times. Maybe not as much as probably I should have, but this is the main one I was aiming for the whole time. I think I aimed over there any, and I think I aimed over here any. Nope. So I'm sure I hit the berm everywhere. I'm sure you'll see it. But I did get some pretty good hits in. right there. So the moral of the story is, I'm a pimp. Maybe I can shoot. Either way, y'all don't need to try this at home. This is something I've kind of set up and got things lined up, trying to get things together so that it would be the safest as possible it could be, just for your entertainment. But it wasn't hard to do, as y'all could see. And yes, I'm okay. Everybody else is okay. In today's episode, you'll see I'm wearing some new gear. Something I'm trying out. Something maybe you'll like. Something maybe you won't like. Who knows? We'll find out. Something maybe I'm gonna start putting out there for other people, so that if you want one, you can get one. Shirt, hat, some merch. Either way, thank y'all for your support, for all the fans, for all the subscribers, for everybody that's watched it, whether they liked it or not. Either way, I want to thank all of y'all for your support. Thank y'all for making D-Range. And if y'all have an idea y'all want us to do or you want us to try, hey, email me, drange411@gmail.com. If y'all want to sponsor, if y'all want a sponsorship, if y'all want to try anything like that, same thing, email me, drange411@gmail.com. We're always up for almost anything. We do have a lot of new stuff coming. We're still working the kinks out in all the newer stuff. But in the meantime, it's summertime, so we're going to give you some good, cool, refreshing, content. We still need subscribers. We have 72 subscribers. I need more people to subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your uncle, tell your auntie. Tell everybody you know. And in the meantime, if I don't say anything else, peace.